Good afternoon, everybody. We are at Bickle Knob Observation Tower in Randolph County, West Virginia. Look at that. My first time ever here. It was a 4-mile drive up this mountain on a 1-lane gravel road. Let's look at this. Ready to go to the top? Alright, start our climb. Mind you, I'm scared of heights. Okay. Down there you can see Highway 33. I'm out of breath. This is West Virginia beauty at its finest. Beautiful. I'm scared to death being up on this tower.
That's what I was going to say, Daddy.
This staircase is scaring the bejesus out of me. Yeah, I'm scared. I do not like heights, and I do not like see-through floors. I'll say one thing, the bugs up on this tower are horrible. The biting flies. Ridiculous. Don't mind the other people in the background. Look at the, and watch the snakes.
Right all over everything.
You'll just hear me taking still shots. Alright, let's take a slow jaunt down to the second overlook. That was about halfway down, and we'll work our way back down to the car. I'm not sure what the elevation is at this point. I would say it's 3,500 feet at least. Yeah, this was well worth a 4-mile narrow drive up this mountain to get to this point. Surprisingly, as much rainfall as they've had here recently, the road was in pretty good shape. This place has been getting pummeled with 2 and 3 inch an hour rainfalls in the last few weeks. Looking back up the hill. Yeah, the original overlook we came up on, it's down here to the left. See my dad standing there. But let's go over here and take a look at this original overlook. Go there at the parking lot. This is amazing. Thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.